Common mistakes in English and how to correct them. The first mistake we're going to talk about today is we are agree. This is incorrect because we don't use the verb to be. We say agree. To agree is the verb. For example, I agree with your proposal. I don't agree with your proposal. Do you agree with the proposal? Okay. Yesterday, for example, I agreed, and tomorrow I will agree. Mistake number 2 that we've been hearing this week is the difference between commit and compromise. Commit is when you promise that you will do something. So when you say you will do something, you give your word. For example, I commit to delivering the project on the 30th of December. Compromise is when you have to concede something and the other party has to concede something in order to make an agreement. Okay? For example, in a negotiation, you could say, I am willing to drop the price by 10% if you decrease the hours by 10%. This is a compromise. Okay? Number 3, the verb to resume. This verb means to restart. For example, class will stop for 30 minutes for a coffee break and we will resume in 30 minutes. See you then. Okay? Number 4, due to. So the conjunction due to is always followed by the verb in ing. Okay? For example, due to having to work late, I won't make the party. Okay, sometimes you don't need a verb. For example, due to the weather, we have to cancel the event. Okay, but if you're using a verb, the verb has to be in ing. Due to, synonyms include due to the weather, we have to cancel the event. You could say because of the weather, as a result of the weather, on account of the weather. They're all synonyms, okay? So that's what due to means. Next mistake, number 5, I work for plus ing. In this case, the for is a mistake. You have to use the verb in infinitive. I work to make money. I get up early to exercise or in order to exercise. But for exercising, no. Okay? The next mistake, second last, the difference between work and job. Basically, to work is a verb. Work is also a noun and it's accountable. Okay, so for example, it's uncountable. Sorry. So work is uncountable. For example, I have a lot of work today. I work hard and I have a lot of little jobs to do around the house. My job is difficult and I have to go to do a job before I have lunch, for example. Okay, so a job can be your work that you get paid for, or it also can mean tasks. Okay, countable. It's not a verb, it's only a noun. Okay, so the difference is work is a noun, a verb, uncountable. Job, it's not a verb, it's a noun, and it's countable. Okay. Finally, the difference between I don't mind, I don't care, and it doesn't matter. All of them can be used if you want to say that it's not important for you to choose between something or among a decision. For example, do you want tea or coffee? I don't mind, I don't care, it doesn't matter. I don't care can be different than because it can also mean that something is not important to you in a negative way. For example, I have a headache. If another person says to you, I don't care, it's not nice. It means that your health or how you feel is not important for them. Also, it doesn't matter is fine, but if you say you don't matter, for example, this is negative. This means that you are not important to that person. Okay, or in that decision or whatever. So, those are the common mistakes for this week. Hope that's useful. If you like that, please subscribe to our channel. My name is Sabrina, And we've been teaching here in Spain for 10 years, so I've got lots of mistakes like this to review. And you can also find an ebook in the links below that will help you with mistakes that you're making and to improve them and to improve your English in general. So go check it out.